In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Temu order. If you placed an order and changed your mind, or maybe you picked the wrong size or color, I'll walk you through the exact clicks you need to make, plus a few tips to help the process go smoothly. First, open the Temu app on your phone or head to the Temu website in your browser. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account, since cancellations only work for orders tied to the account you used at checkout. If you have multiple accounts, take a moment to confirm you're in the right one so you don't waste time looking for the wrong order. Next, go to your order history. On the app, tap the You or Profile tab at the bottom of the screen. On the website, look for your profile icon or name at the top. From there, select your orders. This page lists everything you've bought with the most recent purchases at the top. Now find the specific order you want to cancel. Scroll through the list and tap the order to open its details. This view shows the items, prices, and current status. It's helpful to check the status here because cancellation is only available for a limited time. If the order is still processing, you should see cancellation options. If it's already shipped or preparing to ship, the cancel button might not appear. If cancellation is still available, look for cancel items or cancel order. Choose cancel order if you want to stop the entire purchase. If you only want to remove certain things from a multi-item order, pick cancel items and select just the items you no longer need. You'll be asked to select a reason for the cancellation. Choose the option that best matches your situation. This helps Temu improve the experience and can sometimes speed up processing. When you're ready, tap Submit or Confirm. Give it a moment to process. You should see a confirmation on the screen, and you may receive an email or app notification as well. Refunds for canceled items typically go back to your original payment method or to your Temu balance, depending on what you used at checkout. Processing times vary by payment provider, so don't worry if it doesn't show up instantly. If you used a coupon or credits, those may be returned according to Temu's policy, and shipping or tax adjustments will be calculated automatically. That's it. Open Temu, go to your orders, pick the order, and cancel what you don't need. Review your orders soon after purchasing for the best chance to cancel before shipping begins.